Welcome everyone! In today's video, we are making something truly irresistible, this sweet and smoky tempeh in a tomato sauce. Trust me, you are going to love it. So let's dive in and get started. Here is what you'll need. 250 grams of tempeh, 1 can of tomatoes, about 400 grams, and 4 medjool dates to add natural sweetness. For that signature smoky flavor, we're using 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. We'll also add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and the juice of a lemon, which is about 2 tablespoons. To thin the sauce, you'll need about half a cup of water. From the spices, add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, onion powder, and cumin, plus half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Simple, right? Let's start by slicing the tempeh thinly, like this. Now cut it into strips, nice and thin, because the thinner you slice them, the more they'll soak up all the sweet and smoky goodness. Think of them like flavor sponges. Now this next step is important, so don't skip it. We are boiling the tempeh. Add your tempeh strips to a pan and pour in enough water to cover them. Bring it to a boil and let it simmer for 10 minutes. This helps remove any bitterness from the tempeh and softens it up. It's like giving the tempeh a little spa day before it gets all dressed up in sauce. While tempeh is doing its thing, let's make the sauce. Grab your blender. First, toss in your canned tomatoes. Tomato sauce works great too. Next, add the dates. If your dates are fresh and soft, perfect. If they're a little tougher, give them a quick soak in hot water for 15 minutes so your blender doesn't start a protest. Now, for the smoky magic, add that tablespoon of smoked paprika. Follow that with the spices. Cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. Then comes the lemon juice. It's the secret weapon. It balances the sweetness, adds a zing, and helps the flavors party together. Lastly, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, which pairs beautifully with tempeh. Now blend it all up. Process for a few minutes until the sauce is smooth and creamy. If it feels a bit thick, add a little water until it's just the way you like it. And it's ready. By now, your tempeh should be done. Drain the water and get ready for the fun part. Pour that rich, smoky, sweet sauce all over the tempeh. Stir it well to coat every single piece. Don't let any tempeh strip feel left out. Now let it simmer for about 25 minutes on low heat. This is where the magic happens. The tempeh soaks up all those incredible flavors, and your kitchen starts smelling so good you might have neighbors knocking on your door. Alright, it's time to serve. I'm pairing this with udon noodles today, but feel free to get creative. You can serve it with quinoa, rice, roasted veggies, and even a fresh salad if you're keeping things light. Now add a generous helping of our incredible sweet and smoky tempeh on top. To finish, I'm sprinkling it with my homemade plant-based parmesan. Seriously, it's the cherry on top. You can find the recipe for it right here on my channel. And now, the taste test. The smell is incredible. The taste is even better. Sweet, smoky, tangy. It's like a flavor explosion. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Keep well and goodbye.